I've got some fun lined up today, something that I haven't done before. I'm going to be reacting to a video about Airbnb. So this is going to be fun. If you're listening to the audio, you can still get it, don't worry. This is, but if you're watching on YouTube or the social medias, this is going to be a bit of fun. Before we start, I've got some special news to share with everybody. I'm going to be reminding everybody about this all the way up until the 19th of September. From Monday, the 20th of September to Friday, the 24th of September, I have got some special training exclusively for you, dear listener or dear watcher. I like to do this once a year, especially in the September months, because we now have to start thinking about the slow season. We now have to start thinking about that time of the year when it's not going to be as busy. The summer months has been crazy for a lot of people. The big rebound, the big bounce back from all of the things that have happened is in full flow. But those of you now looking at your calendar for September, October, November, December, it's a little bit quiet. So I have put together a free 5-day training. You get exclusive access to me, members of Team Boostly, and a private Facebook group, and I will walk you through 5 very simple steps on how you can get ahead of the curve. It's going to be all around social media. It's going to be all around the power of giveaways. It's going to be all around email marketing, and it's going to walk you through lots of cool things. It's not too overwhelming. There's not too much information. It's a simple case of watch the video, take the template, put it into practice. Watch the video, take the template, put it into practice. Now, you may be watching this or listening to this and you've done it before. Fantastic. The link is boostly.co.uk/September. If you've never done it before, please do come and join it. They're a lot of fun. You get to meet other hosts. It's a great accountability group. And if there's ever a time that you need a kick up the bum, this is it. And I will give it to you every single day. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the 20th to the 24th. It's totally free. Come and join in. I am so looking forward to helping. And I believe that we can get over 500 and 600 hosts in there and helping. Only have to do is little tasks every day. It won't take up hours and hours and hours of your day. Simple little things that you can be doing, and I'm going to show you what to do to get ready. And it will just basically give you a nice blueprint on what you can do moving forward in September, October, November, December, and beyond. So if you want to register for it, really simple, boostly.co.uk/September. Now let's get started with today's daily podcast. Now, if you're part of my Daily Boost WhatsApp group, you may have remember a couple of weeks ago, I shared a really funny YouTube video. I'm going to share my screen so we can have a look at it together. In this video here, this is a comedy skit from Gene Shorts Comedy. So a little shout out, Gene Shorts Comedy, over 100,000 views already. And
Airbnb for the next 2 nights.
What it is all about is Airbnbs be like. So I think you can pretty much give away from what we're talking about here and what we're going to be looking at. But what I wanted to do is I want to watch the video with you. I want to basically walk you through it, because I think at the end of it, there is a really cool little message here. And even though this is a comedy skit, I think a lot of you are guilty of this. So let's just watch it together.
Only $150 a night. What a steal. It does come out to $1,200 when it's all said and done, because the cleaning fee and the service fee and the taxes.
Remember, guys, we're cramming 12 into a 6-person Airbnb, so find your spots.
I'm going to snag.
And again, and I will stop this throughout, sorry to be annoying. You can always go and watch it. Just type in Airbnbs be like in YouTube. There will be times when I'll stop this. But what is funny about this is that if this has happened to you, or if you think you are guilty of this, or if your guests have tried to pull this, leave a comment below or send me an email, mark@boostly.co.uk.
The couch, if that's cool.
Oh, joke's on you. I call Ottoman. That'll be great here.
Yeah, I'm good here, man.
This is nice.
Lake rolls, take long walks, sleep in, enjoy the sunset, completely clean up after yourself and de-sheet the bed even though you paid a $600 cleaning fee. Instructions on finding the key. It says...
Now, who does that? Who has a low base price? I know that there's some people out there that teach this, but who does this where you have a low base price and you whack on the costs in maintenance fee, community fees, or cleaning costs? People aren't silly. They know what you're doing.
Start by going to the east side of the house.
East!
Great.
Where's East? Where's Mecca? Trey, call Sadiq! Sadiq! Buddy, hey, real quick, when you do your morning prayers, which way do you face? We're on a little issue.
So again, this is really funny. They're showing you how to get into the property. And again, it's going off your communication. And I always say this, communication is key. And if you don't physically greet your guests and welcome them into the property when they arrive, and you rely on a key box, literally like what they're talking about here, you've got to make sure you have it super clear to them on how to get in.
Your morning prayer. Guys, he's Hindu. I messed up. No problem, buddy.
What? It's half the door. How do we only have half the door unlocked?
Hi, yes. Okay, just give me 1 second, okay? 1 second. Guys, the owner's here. We're only supposed to have 6 people. Hide them.
Hide? Where am I gonna hide? I'm not gonna get this. You get this, okay? Oh, phew. Get in there. Hurry.
Come on in.
Shower time. Oh my gosh. This is like the underbelly of a pregnant mama pig. This is once you've made it to the...
I have definitely suffered that one where you're in a house you don't know the hob, the Wi-Fi, anything like that, but you're in a brand new place, shower like that. Again, no instructions, don't know what you're doing.
East side of the house, you should be able to find it underneath the rock.
What rock? What rock? Where?
Where's the freaking key?
Not in the house!
Where's the key?
The listing said there were 3 beds in here. That's 1. I guess this is 2, and then the 3rd's an air mattress. That seems a little misleading.
Don't call me crazy, but I think this one's hollow.
Okay, we're looking for a key, not the Declaration of Independence. Get back to work, Nick Cage. We can't find the key.
Secret lies within the wall. I swear, guys. I swear.
Screw it, dude.
I call first beer.
I found the key! You'll never guess where, in the salt container, I guess, on the rocks. There are bars on all the windows on the houses on the street, so after dark we'll just kind of hunker down, but it looked fun on Airbnb, I just didn't know the area.
Guys, I missed the fine print, but there's no AC. It's fine, though. We'll just open up some windows, do a little crosswind.
It says look for the brown they're all brown houses. They're all brown houses. Why is it so difficult? Which one is it?
Oh! Ah! God!
Guys, FYI, the Airbnb host did just call me and said if anyone asks if this is an Airbnb, say it's my grandpa's house. So I'm not sure how legal this is, but we're gonna have a good time. All right, there's only 2 toilets in this place. One said number 1 only, the other said number 3 only. Use your best judgment. I don't know. Whoever Airbnb this out lives here. Somebody loves mayonnaise.
Boys, I found the guest book. Looks like last weekend, Eugene and Gladys said, thanks for the beautiful stay. We're able to rekindle our love here. I think we're just planning on drinking seltzers and wrestling because this is a good place to get on top of each other.
Check out duties. We gotta take all the sheets off the bed, take out the trash, do the laundry, clean the dishes, mow the lawn. I ain't doing that crap.
No. God! Golly, I'm not a freaking engineer. Hey, Trey, call Sadiq again.
Is that the police? The description said minutes from everything, including my own death, apparently. Brad, turn it off.
I'm trying to. I don't know. When you turn one off, another one just shoots out at you.
Guys, here's the front door. I don't know how we missed it.
Dude,
Turn that off! I don't know what to do!
Turn it off! It's a security deposit!
I'm trying to look through the app. It doesn't say anything about trying. It's probably because you jumped through the half door.
Okay, I tried! I have to go potty!
That was confusing. You got spanked and then turned 90 degrees.
Yeah, sorry, I don't know why I spanked you.
Did we get the shot?
Guys, this condo is great, but the Airbnb host did call me and say if anyone asks us,
All right, these are just bloopers, but very funny. But again, bring it back to your property. Like, are you guilty of doing these things, or have you had guests that have tried to sneak in more people than you allow? And what are you doing in the systems and the structures and all of that to make sure that it doesn't happen? So again, very funny video. If you want to go and check it out, just go to YouTube and type in Airbnbs Be Like. The group that recorded it, Trey Kennedy, is somebody that I followed on Instagram for a while, but Gene Shorts Comedy is the group that are doing it. Go check it out. I loved it. Thought it was very entertaining, and I know a couple of my hosts who I shared this with did as well. All right, I'll be back tomorrow with another episode of the Boosted Podcast. Thank you so much for checking in, and I'll be back tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.